Ever wondered how someone can transform their life from living in complete poverty to amassing a net worth of over $1 million by their late 40s? Meet Jackie, a living testament to extraordinary success against all odds. From battling poverty as a child to achieving financial freedom and surpassing $1 million net worth, Jackie's journey is nothing short of breathtaking. Her story is a must-watch for anyone who dreams of breaking free from the rat race and achieving incredible success. Discover how Jackie navigated her way to wealth, even without a natural flair for managing money. Her inspiring tale proves that financial triumph is within reach for everyone, no matter their past or financial know-how. Early years. In a charming town nestled in southwestern Ohio, where the rolling hills paint a picturesque backdrop, Jackie Cummings Kosey's story begins. Her early years were a blend of simplicity and hardship, a struggle against the bounds of rural poverty. These formative experiences, set against the rugged dirt roads, shaped the canvas of Jackie's incredible journey from financial strain to a staggering $1 million fortune. Just like countless others, Jackie's childhood was marked by financial scarcity. Her household, teeming with 6 siblings, was no stranger to economic challenges. Growing up under the guidance of a single father, making ends meet was a daily battle, with more month left than money. This constant struggle to stretch every dollar left an indelible mark on Jackie, embedding a scarcity mindset that many find hard to overcome. But Jackie's story is more than a tale of struggle, it's a journey of transformation and triumph. Her early experiences with financial hardship were merely the beginning of a remarkable quest to achieve financial success and security. For Jackie, the weight of financial stress was a constant companion, pushing her to make a life-altering decision. Determined never to face the harsh reality of poverty again, she vowed to break free from the cycle of financial struggle. Her solution? Pursue higher education and carve out a new path for herself. Upon finishing high school, Jackie was resolute in her mission to secure a stable financial future. She took on the formidable task of financing her own college education, balancing a full course load with a demanding full-time job. This rigorous routine was no easy feat, but the experience of earning her own money was transformative. It granted her a profound sense of empowerment and financial independence, reshaping her perception of money. Looking back, Jackie marvels at her ability to manage such a demanding schedule. Juggling academics with a full-time job tested her limits but also instilled invaluable traits of discipline and resilience. The lessons she learned from this challenging period far surpassed what she could have gained from textbooks alone. Jackie views this experience as her most significant financial education. It taught her essential life skills such as financial independence, resourcefulness, and navigating the intricacies of money management. The trials she faced molded her understanding of money, making her appreciate the true value of hard work and financial discipline. Unlike many of her peers burdened with student debt and monthly payments, Jackie emerged with a deeper appreciation for financial freedom and the lessons it taught her. Jackie set her sights on a bold financial goal, achieving a $1 million nest egg by the age of 46. Like many in the FIRE, financial independence, retire early movement, she embraced the 4% rule, a strategy that clarifies how much money is needed to comfortably fund retirement. According to this principle, you should save 25 times your annual expenses to ensure that you can withdraw 4% of your portfolio each year, adjusting for inflation, without running out of money. Although the 4% rule is more of a guideline than a foolproof plan, it provided Jackie with a concrete target and a clear path to early retirement. With her yearly expenses between $40,000 and $45,000, reaching that $1 million milestone was not about accumulating wealth for its own sake. Instead, it was about creating a future where financial concerns wouldn't dominate her daily life. Jackie spent over 20 years working in a data analytics firm, ultimately rising to a managerial position with an annual salary of around $80,000. While many people think that substantial six-figure incomes are essential for financial success, Jackie's journey proves otherwise. She firmly believes that financial achievement isn't solely about earning a hefty salary but rather about making smart decisions with the money you already have. Instead of chasing after a higher paycheck, Jackie prioritized financial savvy, making thoughtful spending choices that allowed her to minimize work hours and spend more time with her family. She learned that in many cases, it's not about having a high income but about managing expenses wisely. Her story is a testament to the power of strategic spending over the mere pursuit of a larger salary. Jackie's path to financial freedom is nothing short of inspiring. Her journey wasn't about chasing after more money. Instead, it was about maximizing the potential of what she already had. This mindset not only allowed her to thrive but also showcased that with a sharp financial strategy and the right attitude, anyone can achieve financial independence and break free from the constraints of a job they're unhappy with. Even after hitting her financial milestone at the age of 46, Jackie chose to continue working for a few more years. Unlike many, she genuinely enjoyed her job, seeing her wealth not as a final destination but as a source of peace and freedom. The decision to extend her career was a simple one. She understood that continuing to work would provide extra financial security and allow her investments to grow even further. Jackie's budgeting is remarkably steady, with her yearly expenses ranging between $40,000 and $45,000. At the time of her interview, her mortgage payment was comfortably around $1,000 a month, and she was free from any car payments since she owns her vehicle outright. Monthly grocery bills generally come to $400 to $500, and while she occasionally splurges on dining out or socializing, she manages her finances well, taking into account utilities and her cell phone bill. Jackie's story proves that a blend of smart financial management and enjoying what you do can lead to a life of security and fulfillment. While many early retirees meticulously pinch every penny, Jackie charts a different course. She's not obsessed with scrimping on every minor detail but embraces savvy savings where they arise. Whether it's switching her car insurance or phone plan to pocket some extra cash, Jackie knows when to seize a deal without letting it dominate her financial strategy. Her secret to success lies in her strategic approach to investments. Jackie channels the majority of her wealth into the stock market, focusing on index funds for steady growth, while also indulging in select single stocks. A pivotal move in her financial journey was maximizing her 401k, thanks to a generous company match that accelerated her wealth accumulation. These calculated choices and smart investment habits propelled Jackie to achieve millionaire status well before the age of 46. While most people are trapped in the frenetic rush of Monday mornings, Jackie's life has evolved into a serene rhythm, far removed from the usual office frenzy. Gone are the days of chaotic commutes and relentless work weeks. Instead, Jackie now savors her mornings with a pace of freedom and relaxation. Her days are filled with simple joys and natural wonders. With a deep love for the outdoors, Jackie embraces hiking, leisurely walks, and park strolls. These activities, brimming with tranquility and beauty, come with a delightful bonus: they're incredibly budget-friendly. Unlike costly hobbies or lavish entertainment, Jackie's outdoor adventures are not only accessible but also free of charge. Trails, parks, and scenic routes offer her boundless enjoyment without the strain on her wallet, allowing her to live a fulfilling, financially mindful lifestyle. Jackie's remarkable ascent to millionaire status by the age of 46 is a story brimming with inspiration and possibility. Her journey captivates because it's not about extraordinary luck or a serendipitous windfall. Instead, Jackie's narrative is a reflection of the everyday struggles faced by many. Emerging from humble beginnings and overcoming a scarcity mindset, Jackie's experience speaks volumes about what determination, smart financial decisions, and relentless effort can achieve. She managed to not only attend college but also secure a steady income and ultimately attain financial freedom. Jackie's path wasn't paved with ease, yet her story demonstrates that overcoming financial hurdles is entirely achievable. It provides a beacon of hope for those who, like her, start with limited resources and skepticism towards money. Her journey serves as a powerful roadmap, proving that with perseverance and strategic choices, financial independence is within reach even if the starting point isn't ideal. If Jackie's journey has inspired you and ignited your drive to achieve financial success, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more incredible stories and tips. Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you plan to conquer your financial goals? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more inspiring content.